vlogs. Home Pearl's on a journey.
Don't worry. If you're willing to go 20% further than everybody else is, you'll find the best treasures.
Delectable little morsels of raspberry-like goodness without any thorns.
We're back with more mushroom hunting. Wisteria vine. He is a fierce little guy to try to read together.
Look at this clay. Oh, look at the pawpaw.
I'm making St. George 10 pence. Finally! Biblical women look like this. Curvy. Able to hold the whole entire house together. Jael. Savage Slayer of Sisera. Yes! Gotta pray to Yahuwah that he gives you a righteous head apple of St. Ark of the Covenant wood. Like long-lasting wood of immortality. That's like a righteous woman who's more precious than rubies.
Separate the sheep from the goats. Don't be a goat nation. Be a sheep nation. The goats are going into the lake of fire. It's dangerous. We feed them with your fingertips. Gonna chew on that first. Watch Nate. Nate, watch him savor it. He savors it. Watch. Watch. He really savors it. He just keeps watching it. He just keeps doing it. He never really chews it, Nate. He just sucks on it. He just really gently gums on it.
Big Thunder and I are on an adventure. He's tired and crabby, which is a great time to go see the great lions.
I love lions. And I love moderately provoking them and trying to dominate them from a distance. I brought my sword today just in case things get spicy. But until then, Abram and I are going to have a good time. Abraham, guardian of the covenant. He's a keeper of the commands. Watch, just around this corner.
Yeah, just look at how big their eyes are. Isn't it amazing? I just love them so much. So cute. Look at him. I just love how big their eyeballs are. Oh, ooh, he likes your hat. He might take it. Oh, I love this creature, Dad. Isn't their necks like amazing? Like, Mom, aren't their necks just like incredible? They're beautiful. Like they're so soft too. Like they're just so soft.
Have you ever been anywhere where you can pet them, Norn? Isn't that incredible?
Oh, they're just
Isn't that special?
oh, it's just so special. Here, I want to pet his body. Oh my gosh, look how strong. Dad, look, I could almost stand under him. Isn't that just incredible? Pop, did you touch him?
Hi, buddy.
How coarse it is, like on the tip. These are things you just can't get from a book, you know?
Torn's watched a lot of that.
Cool. Like it's just so cool to see it like life size. Like, isn't it just unbelievable?
Oh, look at him. Just the biggest creatures. It's hard to even understand how tall this creature is. Look at this. Look at how big he is. Oh
They know
my.
what's up, don't they? Hello, you beautiful big elf. Oh my gosh, this might be intense. Should we roll?
No, you should be brave. Hi, beauty.
Hi.
Well, hi.
Well, hello. Oh, hello. You just want a snack?
Hey, they just want to give them a snack.
Hello. Hello. Oh my god.
Jane, you give them a snack.
I can't sit on my feet.
Be gentle. I kissed your face. I did it, and I didn't give you the snack.
We gotta move along or we're gonna feed all. Oh.
Gentle, newbie. I will give you one more, but you be gentle about it. Be gentle.
Is it an ostrich? Oh my gosh. Okay, can you see? You want to feed the ostrich? Feed it out the window.
It's got that predatory. It's got that predatory.
Oh, here comes another one. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Hold
Put
on.
it out your window, so he'll come over. Alright, you take it easy now. Oh, he's come to the other side of the car. Oh my. Come here, you.
It's coming on my side, guys.
Oh, it's coming around. Yep, here he comes. Hello.
He's coming on my side.
Look at that. And we got another elk.
Fluffing up his wings.
Oh, he's real
Oh,
ruffled.
the elk are so sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, the elk are so sweet. Oh, is this a kudu or what is this?
Oh my, you guys. You guys. You just are as mischievous as every turkey I've ever known.
Okay, yes.
Oh, okay. I need to see another one. Okay.
You're a little more timid. You're done. He wants to be fed by you.
Here you.
He says the. No, Nate, don't. You don't have to keep feeding them.
Save up, Nate. We got 5 miles. Hi. Oh, you better let me have a little love.
Oh, Mama! They're getting hello. Nate, look. Oh. Hello, buddy. You want to lay on the tree? Oh, we got it all. This is quite an immersive experience. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that big cow with the hump. And look at the longhorns. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. They're like running alongside the car. They're like, give me a treat.
Oh, he's spitting at you.
You, honey,
Well, shalom.
are
Is it well with you? Is it well with your people?
Oh my gosh.
so lovely.
Majestic creature of the South.
Oh my gosh, look at his eyes. They're like a sunset. You
Beautiful.
are so beautiful, buddy.
Draw near unto me. Come under the shadow of my roof.
Is the baby llama around?
Oh, I did. Oh,
The baby.
I'm gonna get him to pop in my door here.
Oh, I want to see the baby.
Oh,
It
he's
looks
getting
fine though.
He can't fit in my door. He's gonna break my mirror. Oh my gosh.
Mom, it's flying.
Let me kiss you. I kissed your face.
I did it again.
Wow.
You're very,
Hey, pet him.
patient.
Oh my.
Jimmy, pet the zebra. Just give him one at a time, Nate.
Oh, my zebra lost.
See, this is where videos and pictures, they never actually capture it. Like, not even close. The detail of wonder.
Buffaloes.
You thought there would be buffaloes here? I mean, when do you get to just drive up to a buffalo herd?
You know, today. And an albino buffalo at that.
Albino
Look at him.
buffalo?
Right there. Sniffing that
Oh my
rear end of the other one.
Gosh. Look at those
Oh,
buffalo. Look at this guy in the road.
oh
buddy.
my. Who wants a snack? Who wants a treat?
Just stop right here. Let's see if they come down.
Come on now.
Dad, drive up to the buffalo right
I think that's our best chance. Him down there, that sweet buddy. They know where the snacks are.
Dad, drive up to that buddy right.
You got a pellet for him, Nate?
Yeah, I already got a bunch in my hands.
Oh, Nate's ready.
But he's gonna bite me.
Yes, come on over.
Come here, big buffalo.
Come on, buddy.
Drive.
Come on.
Dad, you should drive over to it.
Oh, Dad's got his moment.
gosh, they're going over to Nate's side. Hi, beauty.
Oh my. Oh my gosh. Dad, give it to him.
No.
Dad, move.
Okay, go to the back.
Oh my gosh, their fur is so soft.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Give him another one, Nate.
Hello. Hello, honey. Oh my
That
goodness.
scared me. Not as scary. Ew.
He wants to throw it in his mouth, Nate.
Do it, Nate. Do Nate.
Wow.
I want to see the albino
They're
one
off.
again.
Wow.
Oh, buffalo. Buffalo have 7 different kinds of hair. Did you know that?
Buffy.
And their hair is 7 times more insulating than a cow's.
Buffy.
Welcome to the Aleph, the biblical ox.
I'm gonna sit on the
Regal
window.
creatures. Look at this. That's what Jacob's cattle looked like.
Nibble. Yes. Come here, Miss Camel.
Hold it flat.
Hold it flat. Fingers flat. Flat fingers. Oh. Put it again. Try again, Nate. Hold it in your fingers. I had a date with you. You and I had a date with destiny. It was today. Come on, Miss
He says no.
Ernesto.
Maybe you want something else.
Eat the date. Eat the date. Eat the date. Love the date. Be happy. Camels love dates. You just don't know because you're a Kentucky camel. You've never had a date before.
Look at his lips. Camel lips.
Here, Nate, feed him a date. So I packed dates, I packed walnuts, I packed pecans, because I know you love walnuts, because you live in Kentucky and you already eat walnuts. But these are a lot easier to eat. So there's a walnut for you. What do you think of that? All right, Nate, here, your turn. Feed him a walnut. Feed it to him, Nate. Here. Give him one. Hold it up to him, like this. Yeah, there you go, Nate. Hold it to him. Let go.
All right, Nate, redeem yourself. Hold your hand flat.
Show him how.
Flat.
He won't hurt you again, Nate. It's a different camel.
Hold it flat. Yeah.
Good job, Nate. So you know how
Give
to
him a good pet.
Good job. Now pet him.
Give him a good pet. Oh, hello.
Look at your wool. I've got a jacket made of your wool. It's so
No.
lovely.
Oh, Jubilee, it's saying hello.
Give him a snack, Dana. Just put your hand down. Give him a
Oh,
snack.
you
Just give him a snack. He won't hurt you. It's just a camel. Put your hand out. Put your hand out.
Come here, big Bobby. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here, Mama. Come here. I'm trying to get the water buffalo to come over. Come here. It's okay. Hi, it's okay. Come here. Hello. Hi. Oh, he's so gentle, Nathan. Nathan, he's so gentle. Hello. Hello. Hi. I like you. You're sweet. Wow. Yes, hello. Hello, donkeys. Come on, donkeys. Come on, donkeys. Hello. Oh. Hello. Come on, my donkeys. Come on. Oh, I dropped it. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that little donkey, you guys. That is precious. I'll give you a treat just because you're being sweet. Look at that donkey. Oh, look at that dog.